Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking zucchini and squash on a grill. So first thing I need to do is preheat the grill. So let's turn it on. So I turn the grill on high for preheating, and let's close the cover so it preheats quickly. And meanwhile, I'm going to slice zucchini and squash. So I washed zucchini and squash before making the video. They don't need to peel it. The peel is totally edible. All I need to do is just cut off the stem, the ends. And I will slice it into thin slices. So just like to grill it into long, thin slices like that. So here we got 4 slices for zucchini. And they do the exact same thing with the yellow squash, and they really just cook the same way. And now, once I have all my slices, I'm going to season them. So for the seasonings, I'm using olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. It just keeps it, zucchini and squash from sticking to the grill. And for seasonings, I'll use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And you can use any seasonings you like. So to brush it with oil, I'm just going to pour a little oil here in this dish. And I will use a silicone brush to coat zucchini and squash with oil. And now let's sprinkle the seasonings on this side. And now I'll flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So let's brush the other side with oil. And sprinkle the seasonings. Salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now, so they're seasoned, and let's put them on a grill. So let me go over to the grill. And now I'm going to open the cover. It should be preheated by now, and I'm going to reduce heat to low. And now let's put zucchini and squash on the grill. Let's close the cover. And I'm going to check on them in 4 minutes. Now they've been cooking for 4 minutes on one side, and let's open the grill and take a look. Look at these beautiful grill marks. So just flip over the zucchini. And now once you flip them over, let's cover the grill again, and we'll cook them for 3 minutes on the second side. So now those zucchini and squash have been cooking for 3 minutes on the second side. So it's 4 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other, 7 minutes total, and they're ready. So now let's turn off the heat. And I will take them off the grill. Show you, see the second side also has perfect grill marks. Perfect. And when you grill, of course, you should, see like if on your grill it takes longer or shorter, you just adjust the cooking time. It all depends on how strong is your grill. I just know the temperature from mine. These are super tender. And now let's try it. So see, you can just tell that they're totally soft. So they look perfectly grilled. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So here I cut a piece of squash, and let me just cut a piece of zucchini so you see that they're so soft. Let's try it. So delicious. They're so tender and full of grilled flavor. Such a tasty, deep flavor. These are perfect summer vegetables to grill. You will love it. And they're so healthy too. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!